you fall. And I'll catch you if you fall. And when the rain begins to fall, I will catch you if you fall. And when the rain begins to fall, I will catch you if you fall. 'Cause I will have always been watching over you. I have always been thinking of your best interest, yeah. I have always dreamed of flying with you in the skies to Mercury and Mars and beyond, and to every star. You're my sweet love. Ooh, 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 yeah. You're my sweet love. Now that I found you, now that I'm here, now that I see you, now that I found you, now that you're here with me, I will see it through, that you'll be given everything you need, that you begin everything that you dream of, that you begin your creation with me, yeah.
Just, I don't mind you, just my neighbors. Yo, I got locked out, so I have to wake you up, bro. I don't have minutes, yo.